Engineers for the city of Sioux Falls say safety is a top priority when inspecting parking garages. The New York City Department of Buildings records showed that the parking garage that collapsed in Lower Manhattan on Tuesday had 6 open building violations, 3 of which were classified as hazardous. Public Parking Facilities Manager for the city of Sioux Falls, Matt Nelson, says the city works to follow these different codes.
Depending on the age of the facility, the codes that it was built to may change slightly, but we do meet code requirements, and our inspections are all proactive at this point, where we do them voluntarily just to make sure that we are safe and keep them safe for our citizens.
Discussing the process.
We do an inspection program that we started over a decade ago. They are inspected by a professional engineer that specializes in parking ramps every year. They do a walkthrough facility review annually, and with every 5 years we do a in-depth, or what we call destructive testing.
Safety and longevity are also considered during the design process.
All of our facilities are cast-in-place ramps, which are they're the longest durability type of facility. They will last the longest, and they're I guess the heaviest built. They're also the most expensive, but they have lower maintenance cost in the long run.
He says weather conditions also play a significant role.
We're also built to probably a little higher standard here, just planning for the weather and the snow conditions that we experience. So that's something we consider in our design and building of facilities.
Also focusing on the age of different parking ramps in the city.
Depending on the type of construction and facility, we're looking at 50 to 75 years as a planning factor. We can adjust that as needed over the years, but we plan for that. And when we took the river ramp down, that was actually at 50 years. It was at the end of its usable life, and we took it down. There were some maintenance concerns, and the age was a concern, so we took that up, and then that's why we build new facilities to replace it.
Nelson says the city will continue to monitor parking garages, whether old or new, to ensure safety. In Sioux Falls, Bailey Peterson, Dakota News Now.